Pinangunahan ni BTA Deputy Speaker Attorney Omar Yasser Sema ang focus group discussion hinggil sa proposed administrative and regulatory framework para sa mga baril at bala sa BARMM. Ayon sa mambabatas, hindi na dapat umasa na lamang sa national government sa pagresolba ng mga isyu sa seguridad sa rehiyon. Ang News Now sa report.
Inilatag sa focus group discussion ng iba't ibang opinyon, suwestyon at ideya hinggil sa ipapanukalang administrative and regulatory framework para sa baril at bala sa BARM. Ang hakbang ay inisyatiba ni Member of Parliament at Deputy Speaker Attorney Omar Yasser Sema.
This activity is part of the build-up to come up with a bill that will call for a law that that empowers the Bangsamoro government to regulate and control firearms in the Bangsamoro, whether registered or loose firearms, no? Yun ho yung intent ng batas na to. We have already a draft, and I think the final act na kailangan namin gawin is to consult the relevant regional and national agencies, including the security sector, the AFP, and our law enforcers, yung Philippine National Police, kasi very important yung perspective nila dito because they are at the forefront of enforcing peace and order and security operations. And we're glad that this activity has been graced by a good number of gentlemen from the security sector, from the AFP and from the PNP.
Ayon pa kay Sema, isa sa pangunahing batayan ng panukala ay ang hangarin na makapagpatatag ng mas maayos na peace and order system.
Of course, the basis is our interest to establish a peace and order system that allows also that enables some control also for the Bangsamoro government. Kasi right now, ang control ng peace and order situation is nasa PNP and AFP. So, wala ho tayong access to any data on firearms. Wala rin tayong control dun sa pag-avail ng mga legal firearms. I mean, legal way. Wala tayong control. Yung individual citizen, diretso ho pumupunta sa gun store, nag-a-apply ng LTAP. Kasi yung gun store mismo nag-o-offer ng LTAP. If you buy, you automatically buy an LTAP. And the Bangsamoro government has no say anymore whether or not that constituent is qualified or otherwise, no? And I think that's the gist of the law. And what we seek to have here is, bago mag-apply yung isang constituent ng Bangsamoro, dadaan muna sa Bangsamoro government, particularly the Ministry of Public Order and Safety and other relevant agencies who will be sharing these data, no, among themselves para meron din tayong ready data when peace and order situation arises.
Samantala, sa kabila nito, kinilala rin ni Sema ang patuloy na pagsisikap ng PNP, AFP at ang mga lokal na pamahalaan sa pagpapanatili ng kapayapaan at kaayusan sa komunidad.
We have to be fair. Our PNP and our AFP are doing their best, no? And our local government units are laying down an atmosphere of peace and order, no, and security situation na yung magandang kapayapaan sa ating mga communities.
Binigyang diin din ng mambabatas ang kakulangan ng Bangsamoro government sa access ng datos na mahalaga sana sa pagbibigay ng tamang pananaw at proteksyon sa mamamayan.
Because I have no data. We have no data. We cannot comment on this. We cannot give our perspectives on this, whether they are legal or illegally, they were validly prosecuted, or was the investigation sound or otherwise. Because right now, ang Bangsamoro government walang data, and this data can also help the Bangsamoro government to protect its constituents from malicious prosecution or persecution of innocent citizens.
Dagdag pa ni Sema, anuman ang maging laki o liit ng epekto ng panukalang batas, mahalaga ang pagkakaroon ng sariling aksyon ng rehiyon upang matugunan ang hamon sa seguridad.
However minor, or however major the impact of this legislation, ang importante ho, ang Bangsamoro government may control, may control sila, and may access sa data. And gaano man kalaki o kaliit yung impact nitong measure na ito. Kasi we need to act on our own. We cannot wait for the national government to come here and resolve this. Ang gusto natin, merong regional action and response on, because this is our problem. We cannot rely on national agencies.
Marcus Uy, iMinds Philippines.